Hey guys, it's Finny and you're watching Manic's Best. This is a video about a bit of a review of Meridian Private Parts trimmer, hair trimmer for men. It's one of the men's grooming kit that's been touted as one of the safest ones to use for private parts in particular and body hair, etc. So yeah, okay, so first things first, this is the trimmer, and I'm going to give you an honest opinion about my experience of how it's been for me, really. As you can see, it's been used a little bit, but I've done my best to clean it off so you don't feel gross. Yeah, it's all fine. Generally, it does the job in general, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to say that when I tried this to trim around some of the areas, private areas, such as balls, for example, um, it's not meant to do that. It's really not meant to do that. This is fine if you were to sort of do your usual body hair, chest hair, back hair, or like underarms or your arms, etc., forearms, hands, etc. It's fine for that, but if you were to sort of do a little bit more and some of the sensitive areas, it's not meant to do that. It's fine to be used by women also. Women can use it on their body. It's really, really sensitive. It's got this. The best thing the thing that stands out is this plastic. So normally your trimmers would have two sets of blades, one at the top, one at the bottom. That's meant to cut the beard or some like hard hair. There's obviously hard hair in private areas, but it's meant to make life with trimming sensitive parts a lot easier and a lot I'd say possible rather than anything else. So you're able to sort of do all the trimming without any pain or hassle. So if you've got two blades, if the hair gets stuck between the blades, it can be pulled, right, and you can get severe pain. But with this, with the plastic on the bottom, it basically releases the hair easily. It doesn't let you get into that painful situation. So in that sense, this is fine. It can easily do your body hair for men, chest hair, etc., without any problem at all. And I've had no problems at all with body hair, with chest hair, and some parts of my beard as well, like the grooming onto the side or some of the back side of my hair, like my hair, like head hair. So that was all fine. But no, please don't do that on your balls or any sensitive parts of the body. Women's like private parts between the legs, no. Sides of the legs, fine. Back of the legs, fine. Or your bottoms are fine. Women's bottom, men's bottom, it's all fine. But no, don't do that. No, don't use it for your private parts. I don't think that any trim available in the market that could do private parts, especially the sensitive ones. The private part is perfectly fine. You won't feel any pain at all with this one. But as soon as it gets to those sensitive areas where the skin is hanging and stuff, and where there's sensitivity, you'd feel lots of pain. So, in general, if you are careful and if you're not like if the skin folds, then it can cause cuts. So that's one of the things that you have to consider before buying this trimmer or any other trimmer. If a company says that it's meant to sort of do all the private parts and all that sort of stuff. So Meridian is a good brand, and no offense, they have made a really good product. On this occasion, it just didn't seem to be the most accurate description of what they offer as a product. But in general, I am happy with this product. So a quick whistle stop tour of this product and how my experience has been with using this product. If you've got any further questions or anything in particular with regards to this specific usage of this product, please do feel free to drop me a comment on the chat. If there's anything private, please do reach out to my other channels, my Twitter handle also. I am happy to help anywhere, wherever I can. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, it really helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, cheers, bye bye.